Miss, please stop your bike.
Oh, yes, officer.
Oh, do you know why I stopped you?
Maybe I was riding too fast.
No, you are not wearing a helmet.
Oh, I forgot. I was in a hurry.
That is dangerous. The law says you must wear a helmet.
I understand. I'm really sorry.
Do you have your driving license?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you, but I have to give you a ticket.
A ticket? How much is the fine?
The fine is $100. You must pay in 30 days.
Okay, I will pay.
Please wear your helmet next time.
Yes, officer, I will. Please go to our YouTube channel called Gad's Fast English and subscribe.